Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Yang Constantino, and I just want to share my experience when I went to Japan this month, April 2015. I went there and it was my first time to see cherry blossom, so that was really very nice. I really enjoyed my stay there. Of course, because of Mr. Matsui, we were able to tour around and go around because of him. So I just want to thank him, Mr. Matsui. Thank you so much for being so kind to us. Thank you for your generosity, and we hope to see you soon. When you come to the Philippines, we will treat you also and take you to the beautiful places here. And I want to say hi to all my supporters there in Japan. Thank you for supporting me even though you're there. And I want to encourage you to buy my newest album, All About Love, on iTunes, Amazon, mymusicstore.com, and starmusic.ph. I just want to say hi to Nicole also. Thank you, Nicole. I heard that you like my song Cow. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon. Mr. Matsui, thank you again so much.